Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. Welcome to today's Maths online class. In the last video, we discussed about Roman numerals. Now, today we are going to see what are the rules in writing down the Roman numerals. That means the Hindu Arabic numeral will be given to you. How can we write the Roman numeral of that? We will practice it with more examples. Next, we can see rules of writing Roman numerals. Using these rules, we are forming the Roman numerals. First one, if a symbol is repeated, that means it is added that much times. How many times that symbol is repeated, that much times we are adding. For example, here how many times I have written this 1? 3 times. So the value is 3. Adding this 1 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Again one more. X, X, X. What is the value for this one? Here X is added how many times? 3 times. So adding X 3 times means the value of X is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. A symbol can be repeated only 3 times. More than 3 times it cannot be repeated. Only 3 times at a time a symbol can be repeated. And in that V and D are not repeated. Only this X, I and this only repeated. V, L, D, etc. are not repeated. Now, to a larger symbol, to the left, if a smaller symbol is written, we are subtracting. Here see, this is 5 and here 1. To the larger, here which is the larger one? 5. To the left of the larger, here I have written 1. If like this, if it is written, means it is subtraction. So, here this is 5, here 1. So, 5 minus 1, 4. If to the right of a larger number, if a smaller one is written, we are adding. See, here to the 5, right of 5, 1 is written. So, we are adding 5 plus 1, 6. Similarly, if you are writing here one more, we are adding 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. So, if you are writing to the left, we are subtracting. If you are writing to the right, we are adding. Now, the symbol 1 is added with or always with V and X. And the symbol X is always written to the left or right with C, L and M. Now, using these symbols, we can form some Roman numerals. We look for some examples. Yes, write the Roman numeral of first example 65. Here this 65 is given as Hindu Arabic numeral. We have to convert this into a Roman numeral. For that, expand this number first. 65 can be written as 60 plus 5. Now again the 60 is split to 50 plus 10 plus 5. Now we know the Roman numeral of 50. It is L. What is the Roman numeral of 10? X. And what is the Roman numeral of 5? V. So the Roman numeral of 65 is LXV. Next example 98. So for forming the Roman numeral, first we are splitting and writing. 98 can be written as 90 plus 8. Now this 90 we can write it two ways. One is 50 plus 40 or 100 minus 10. If I am taking 50 plus 40, this 40 I can write X, X, X. That means repeating 4 times. That is not possible. So, we can repeat only 3 times. We cannot repeat 4 times. So, instead of 50 plus 40, we can take 90, 100 minus 10. So, I took 90 as 100 minus 10. Then 8 I wrote same. Now, here subtraction is coming. I said if subtraction is coming, then a bigger symbol we have to write first, second, and the smaller we have to write the left. So, what we are subtracting here? 10. So, that 10 we are writing first. And to that right of that we are writing 100. What is the symbol for 100? C. So, for 90 it is XC. Why I wrote X here? Because I need to subtract this X. X means what? 10 from 100. That is why I wrote X to the left. Now 8, 5 plus 3 is 8. So 5 adding with 3. So what is the Roman numeral of 98? XCV 3, this one 3 times. So XV8. Next example 45. Write the Roman numeral of 45. For that I first splitted 45. 40 plus 5. Now I said 40 using x. 4 times we cannot write. Then what is the next option? 50 minus 10. 40 is what? 50 minus 10. 5, that 5 itself. Now I told if subtraction is coming, what you have to write? Write the smaller symbol first. What is we are subtracting here? 10. So I wrote 10 first. From where you are subtracting? 50. So 50 you wrote. Then this 5. So what is the Roman numeral of 45? XLV. Next example 77. How can we write 77? 70 plus 7. Now 70 I am splitting as 50 plus 20. Here I used 50 plus 20 means I told we can repeat up to 3 times. So 20 means only 2 times coming. So 50 plus 20 plus 7. 50 the Roman numeral is L. And for 20 writing X 2 times. So X. Now for 7, 5 plus 2 is 7. So the Roman numeral of 77 is LXX7. So today we discussed about the rules for writing the Roman numerals. By this topic we are coming to the end of this chapter. So let me recollect what all things you have studied in this chapter. First we discussed about large numbers. We studied up to 9-digit numbers. Then we discussed what are the applications of these large numbers in our daily life. We solved some word problems regarding that. Next we move on to the topic estimation. We found estimated sum, difference and product. And the last topic was Roman numerals. First we introduced some Roman numerals. Then we find out the rule for writing the other Roman numerals. So by this chapter is over. I hope all of you understood this chapter. The note of this video is uploaded down. Attend the test paper given. We will meet with another chapter in the next video. Bye.